welcome to another episode of Checkout Basket. Today, I'm up at McDonald's. This week, on their app-only special, is a McChicken, small McChicken meal, plus an extra cheeseburger for $6. Normally, this would cost you about $14 to $15, and it's like more than 50% off. So, what do you get? Well, of course, you get the extra cheeseburger, which I love cheeseburgers. They're like my go-to late night eatery kind of a thing, if you know what I mean. Lots of cheeseburgers. Let's try this one. Give you a quick look. Mouthful of pickle with that one. Oh yeah, nice, hot, fresh. See how fresh that is. The cheese is just starting to melt. All right, but that's not the star of this show today. Here's the sauce on my face. But we also have a small chips. Now, chips are best eaten fresh. Could have done with a dash more salt, but perfect. Perfect crunch there. Now, the star of, or actually, you also get a small drink. I go with Fanta most of the time. But the star of this one is the McChicken. Whoa, doesn't that look good? So inside here we should have a whole lot of mayonnaise or McChicken sauce, lettuce, the McChicken patty on a nice fresh bun. Got a lot of lettuce and it's leafing everywhere. All right, time to go in for a taste. Ooh, it feels warm too. That is beautiful. Fresh. So fresh. I reckon if I had have eaten this about a minute more earlier, I'd be burning my mouth. Get all that mayonnaise and stuff off my face. Right, so $6. App-only special for this week only from McDonald's for $6. You can't go past it. Usually pay $6 something just for the McChicken. So to get all that extra really for free, I don't think you can go wrong at all. So I'm going to give this really purely on the money you're saving 9.5 out of 10. Forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, see you in the next video. Wonder if I can make a Frankenstein burger out of these. Nice big one.